If you follow this recipe I'm about to share with you, you may be growing out half to 1 inch every single month. Yes, I said it. Picking out the right herbs and using them the right way will really change your hair growth game. The herbs we are using for this recipe were carefully selected. I mean, they are the best herbs used for hair growth. The perfect herbs contributed to my hair growing from this to this. I'm sure you can see how short my hair used to be. Guys, herbs really do work if you use them the right way, if you follow the right recipe, the right herbs and the right routine. You're going to start seeing a lot of great results. Our first ingredient is rosemary. As you can see on the screen, this is what rosemary looks like. There is the fresh rosemary and there is also the dried rosemary. I will be putting up the picture of the fresh rosemary so you can see what it looks like. This is just for people that do not know what rosemary is. Please, this is what rosemary looks like. So if you're getting this from the market, please make sure that you are getting exactly this. Do not let them give you another thing in place of rosemary. Rosemary helps the hair growth by improving scalp circulation, which delivers vital oxygen and nutrients to the follicles. It acts as an antioxidant to prevent follicle damage, reducing inflammation to soothe irritation. This herb also acts as a DHT blocker, that is the hormone linked to pattern baldness, and studies has also shown that rosemary can be as effective as minoxidil when it comes to hair regrowth. So guys, our next ingredient is fenugreek. Yes, fenugreek is also one very popular herb. It is actually known for helping to reduce excessive hair fall. This is one herb that I love so much. It helps me a lot when it comes to excessive shedding. Please take a look at this fenugreek seed properly. I am taking my time to show you all exactly what this looks like. So when you are going to get yours in the market, you will not choose other herbs because sometimes herbs can look alike. These fenugreek seeds are purely natural. Everything I'm showing you in this recipe is all natural. Guys, fenugreek seeds are natural nutrient-dense remedy for hair health. They contain a high level of protein, iron, nicotinic acid, which deeply nourishes the scalp. It stimulates blood circulation and it reinforces the hair follicles, promoting thicker and healthier strands. And guys, the consistent use of these herbs will help reduce breakage and minimize hair shedding. Fenugreek, like I said, is a very great herb. I know that reduces shedding a lot. Anytime I start seeing some form of excessive shedding on my hair, I pick up my fenugreek seeds. Yes, they are amazing. So guys, our next ingredient is clove. If you know clove, you know that it is really popular in the hair care community, most especially the DIY hair care community. And this is exactly what it looks like. Guys, clove promotes hair growth primarily by improving the scalp health. It is rich in antioxidants and antimicrobial, even anti-inflammatory properties. It contains the compound called eugenol. It stimulates blood circulation, it soothes irritated scalp, it also fights dandruff caused by fungal, and also protects the scalp follicles from oxidative stress. Moving on, our next ingredient is lavender. I personally love lavender because of the scent. Anytime I'm not okay with some kind of herbal smell like fenugreek, I will infuse lavender. Aside from the fact that lavender has a sweet scent, it stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, it increases the number of hair follicles, and also helping your hair transition into the active growth phase. It also soothes scalp inflammation, preventing dandruff and any form of scalp issues. This is exactly what lavender looks like. So if you're getting this from the market, look at this properly. Do not get anything other than this. So our next ingredient is horsetail. This is exactly what horsetail looks like. And guys, let me tell you something. A lot of people mistake this for rosemary. This is not rosemary at all. Take a close look at this. This is not rosemary. This wants to look like let's say dried grass, like dried grass. If you look at it very well, it is not rosemary. So please do not confuse this. If you want to get this from the market, make sure that you're not confusing this for rosemary. Horsetail is high in silica content. It strengthens the hair, reduces breakage, and also boosts shine. The consistent use of these herbs will yield you a good result. Let's get right into making it. So we will be adding in half teaspoon of all our herbs. Yes, half teaspoon rosemary, half teaspoon fenugreek, half teaspoon lavender, half teaspoon clove, and also half teaspoon of our horsetail. I am making a very small batch, so if you want to make a big batch, double the size up. And I'm making a small batch because I do not like keeping my DIY sprays in the fridge. I do not like it at all. And did I mention that we are making a spray? Yes, this is a herbal hair growth spray. So I will just add in hot water, 1 cup of hot water into this herbs, and this is what it looks like. I will just go ahead to cover this. I will leave it for as long as, let's say, 5 hours. I want it to infuse properly, or I'll leave till the next day. So guys, this is what it looks like after 3 hours. As you can see, the color has started changing. Yep, that is how it is supposed to be. That is just to tell you that the herbs are already infusing into the water. So guys, you can just go ahead to see if you're satisfied with it, but I am not satisfied, so I'm going to leave this till the next day, and then I'll just go ahead to sieve. And right now I'll show you how to use this. So I added a little bit of glycerin in mine, and then I'll just go ahead to moisturize my hair with my leave-in conditioner. This is to add in moisture into my hair. Like I said, you have to use this the right way. Honestly, after spraying this on your hair and on your scalp, you have to moisturize using your leave-in conditioner first, and then you seal in moisture with your hair butter. This is a hair butter from my brand. And then if you want this spray to be well formulated for you, please let me know. I can do that, and then I will send it over to you, because there is the DIY and there is also the well formulated one that have glycerin and other amazing ingredients in them. So I'll just oil my scalp, and then I will massage my scalp for 5 minutes. Thank you for watching. Bye.